Hey guys, what's up? It's Colton Merrill with Merrill Coins here, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you all of the fresh new raw inventory that we got, including a bunch of really nice VF, XF, and even some AU and BU Barber quarters, dimes, and half dollars. So make sure and get ready for it, guys. It's going to be great. See you guys there. Okay, so first off, I just wanted to show off these coins right here. They were just in a different lot that we ended up purchasing. You know, thankfully we didn't have to pay these prices that were listed on them. We actually got a pretty solid deal on all of them. You know, a bunch of Franklin half dollars, the key date, the 49S, you know, and BU. It's actually a really nice BU. And the 49D as well, better date, is full bell lines, so that's really nice. This one is pretty nice as well. Nothing wrong here. This 21, you know, it's okay. Could be better, could be worse. The obverse is really nice. The reverse, however, is a little bit lacking, but it's still pretty solid. This 1903, I really want it to be BU, but it is just a perfect slider, you know. AU58. It might be able to go, you know, MS60, like kind of the cop-out grade, but it's a little bit too high on the rub. This one I actually already looked at a little bit, you know, because I was praying that it was going to be proof-like for an 1880, but it just doesn't quite make it there on the obverse. The reverse, I think, is proof-like, though. For an 80, I mean, this is really nice. Very, very nice. And then this final coin, I was hoping that this coin could be BU, just from the obverse, and I think it honestly could be BU. But the reverse just has a really weak strike. Maybe it's some rub. So we're going to see. I think it could be a BU coin. Honestly, it's pretty nice. All the luster's there. So yeah, we'll see. Okie dokie, guys. Here we have these fresh coins that we just ended up purchasing. And they're honestly all really nice type coins that everybody, you know, was always in demand for. So this 1942 Walker in BU. It's actually really nice. Wow. It really is BU++. This is actually a really nice coin. No hairlines, no cleaning, very minimal marks as well. Wow, that's actually really pretty. Here we have another one, BU. See, this one has, you know, some marks and like some circulation marks. You can kind of see it, you know, right there in the open field. This one will still be fine as a BU, but, you know, obviously a little bit less quality as that one. But it's still okay. It's still okay. This one, again, this one kind of has some dye polish lines, but it also has some circulation marks, you know, very, very light. Still BU, nothing wrong with that one. This one, a crusty BU. Wow, this one is actually really nice. This 41D, really, really nice, actually. Very nice. That's what I like my coins to look like, in my opinion. And another one, 41D. I'd say this is a crusty BU as well. Very, very nice condition. That's what you like your coins to look like. In my opinion, I would sell a coin like that to anybody, any day. These coins, obviously, they're all pretty cool. It's a bust half dime from 1837. You don't get to see these too often. You know, the half dimes. It's pretty cool. This 1911D in fine, I think it honestly hits very fine. It is a very, very hard date to find, you know, in these nicer conditions. So, very, very nice. This 1899 dime in AU+, it's honestly like a BU. You know, it's kind of dark on the reverse. Probably what keeps it from being BU. But it is extremely nice on the obverse. So, probably a BU coin. This 1909D in VF++. Honestly, I think it's just really dark. And it has enough detail to be an XF. It's just really dark, so, you know, not much you can do with that coin, honestly. Here's a 16D Barber quarter, final date and mint mark. It's like AU+. It's actually a really nice coin. Doesn't look to have any heavy cleaning marks. Maybe very lightly cleaned a long time ago. The reverse is actually very nice. Very, very nice reverse. That's a nice coin. This 99O in fine. It's a little bit wipey, a little clingy, but it's still okay. You know, it's still a rare Barber dime. People like that kind of stuff, so, you know, what can you do, right? It's all on demand. Like this coin right here, perfect. Perfection. This coin is just, this is the coin you walk by at a coin show and you're like, wow, now that's a coin. VF Barber Coinage is just what you want. And that's why there's so much of it. Here's a 1903 in XF. I think it's honestly like an AU, low grade AU, but it's been net graded to an XF, which is fine. That's fine. Nothing wrong with that. This 1907, definitely AU details. Has some details for sure. Nothing wrong with that one though. Nothing crazy. Here's the 49S in, it's like a slider condition. Nothing crazy, nothing great. Wish it was full bell lines, but obviously it's not. That's okay. Nothing too bad about that. Here's a nice coin, 97.0 Barber quarter in good. I think it's a solid good. The reverse is kind of ugly, but it's still good, so it's fine. Here's a nice coin, 1907S Barber quarter in fine. Yeah, now this is a coin. This is cool. This is a nice coin. That's a solid fine. Nothing wrong with that coin. Beautiful. Here's a really nice coin. It just has a scratch on the reverse. Looks like it's been polished, honestly. Huh. Very, very shiny XF AU condition. Looks like AU condition, but has that scratch right there. Still pretty solid for the coin. Very, very cheap. Yeah, like look at that. Just kind of a funky coin, but still nice. Still nice. Here's another great coin. This is a perfect coin right here. 1902 VF Barber half dollar. Perfect, right? Just perfect. In 1889, seated dime in XF condition. These babies are worth way more, even if they're cleaned, than $28 in my opinion. Same with this one in 86 in XF cleaned. We'll see what we can get for these. Maybe they're only worth $20. I don't know. But I think they're pretty solid for XF coins, even cleaned. And then finally, a 14D. This coin's actually pretty solid. A 14D Barber dime in AU condition. Better date, kind of. A little bit of just a solid date. It's a solid date. Very, very nice coins, all solid, all gorgeous. All from a very, very fresh collection that we just bought. And I'm very, very excited to sell all of these to you guys. Now let's flip it back over to the face. Okay guys, so I'm trying this new thing out with my mic where I hold it with an extension cord. So hopefully this doesn't sound terrible, but we're going to see how it works. I think it should be okay. So you guys just saw those new coins that we just got. They're okay. A lot of them are really nice. There are some that are nicer than others. There are some that are less nice than others. But I think they're all really solid, and I'm really looking forward to, what we're going to do with them. So we're going to work on getting them sold. Yeah. So let me know if you guys want to see any coin on the website or eBay or anything. I'll probably just put them all up on eBay or whatnot maybe and see where they go. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right. Goodbye.